Hi guys, it's Rob here with another CS100 Python programming tutorial. And we're going over the basic operations on a dictionary. So to create an empty dictionary, the syntax is as follows. Variable name equals, or assignment operator, the curly braces, empty curly braces, right? Now to add a key value pair to a dictionary using an index and assignment operators. Now remember I said we can't index a dictionary. But to add a key value pair, okay, you would put the key here and the value here, and that would add that pair to the D, which is the dictionary. Now, if you want to look up the value of a key using the index operator, you would type the key in here like this, and you would get back, or you would get returned to you, the value. Now, how do we change a value by assigning a new value? You identify the key through this sort of, I'm going to call it an indexing method, right? But we know that it's just identifying the key value, and we're setting it equal to a new value. To remove a key value pair, you would use pop with this syntax. Now, as one of the TAs at NJIT pointed out to me, dictionaries appear between 30 to 40% on the final exams given in the past, or what we consider the practice finals. So for those of you new to this course, what we basically do is we take prior examinations and give them as practice exams, right? And you'll notice that dictionaries appear between 30 and 40% on the final exams, right? This means that a thorough understanding of dictionaries can give you 12 to 16 points on the exam, which could result in a large increase in your overall score. It could be the difference between passing and failing, or between getting the A and getting the B+. Also, you may want to or need to use a dictionary on one or more of the programming problems. So it would really be of benefit to you to know dictionaries inside and out. The following statement was taken from the Python 3.4 documentation. If I were you, I would memorize this and understand this and the Lecture 7 slides, all of which cover dictionaries. Now, because NJIT is a university, these slides belong to the university. So I may show a snapshot or two of one or two slides as I do here, but I will not put up all the slides because that wouldn't be right to the professors teaching this who have put their hard work into making these slides and that are property of NJIT. But I will say that I cite them as a source to this review sheet. Here, I'm not going to go through this. If you have the review sheet, you could read this. It's very self-explanatory. You go through these examples. I kind of actually want to move on to more notes and to sort of plow through more of this review sheet. But definitely you could email me with any questions if you're a part of the course. Or if you're not a part of the course, you could leave your questions in the comments below this YouTube video, and I'll try my best to get back to you. Now, if you look through the practice finals, you're going to see that some of the questions mix in topics that you have learned. You will also see continue and break in those questions. What does continue do? It jumps to the next iteration of the loop you're in, whereas break terminates the execution of the innermost loop that you're in. Note that key difference. It is absolutely essential that you understand the code on these problems and trace the code to ensure obtaining the correct answer on the multiple choice portion of the test. Here I've added more of the Python, some snippets from the Python documentation. I highly suggest that you go over them. And actually, I forgot to include them as a source up here, but in the final review sheet that I actually post online, the Python documentation I'll have to remember to actually cite as a source as well. So remember, a common error with a while loop is to leave it while true and not include a break statement. This results in an infinite loop. Sometimes advanced programmers can use this notion to their advantage, but I personally would steer clear of infinite loops. Make your break condition something logical other than true. Or include a break statement within that loop that you know is going to be hit. Be really careful with indexing and slicing this sort of stuff, especially when dictionaries are involved, as in the following example from Practice Final 1. And we're going to stop here, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks, guys.